For the most part, a lot of clear skies out there, but if you head a little further east, we are dealing with a lot of clouds, and we already saw a thunderstorm pop up in Lakeview. Really fizzled out as soon as it hit the town, though, and expecting to see that threat for thunderstorms continue. But what a gorgeous weekend we had. So a view sent in by our morning director, Sarah, from Applegate Lake. A lot of blue skies as we head forward in the next couple of days. Expecting to see more of those clouds out there. This is the almanac so far today. Wouldn't be surprised if we warm up another degree or two, but Grants Pass 78 right on the dot for normal. Medford 83. Klamath Falls still in the 80s today, but that's cooler than the 91 degrees they saw for a high yesterday. Now let's look at our water vapor image, because the low that's bringing that chance for thunderstorms shows up a little bit better on here. That kind of dark circle that's going through Los Angeles and then moving north, that's what's going to be bringing us that chance for thunderstorms. Most of those thunderstorms are in the Sierra Nevadas and south and east of our region. But like I said, we did see a thunderstorm already move into Lake County. That threat for thunderstorms, the favored spots will be Modoc and Lake County. However, can't rule out a thunderstorm making it as far east as Siskiyou, potentially into the Klamath Basin. However, I do think the Rogue Valley will be clear tonight. Maybe just see a few light clouds out there, but there's a zoomed in look at where those storms are. Like I said, most of them are south of our area. In fact, most of them in Nevada. So that system will be influencing us today. Tomorrow, we are going to be under the influence of an upper level low switching from the Gulf of Alaska. Instead of this southerly flow, we are going to be seeing a much cooler pattern as this system moves into our area. So let's break down the timing of this. Tonight, that chance for isolated thunderstorms may be mainly to the southeast of our region. However, can't rule one out, making it as far east as the basin, but most areas will stay relatively dry tonight. Then that upper level low from the Gulf of Alaska shifts down into our region, and that will just start to live in the Pacific Northwest through the remainder of the week, bringing mild conditions, breezy conditions as well. Expecting to see those winds fairly breezy tonight through Thursday. And at the coast, we could be talking about some drizzle. Really not expecting any significant rain, any much needed rain, I should say, but maybe just some drizzle. And we are going to be seeing much more mild conditions, unseasonably cool, in fact, through Wednesday and Thursday. Fire danger levels still at moderate. And like I said, that chance for thunderstorms will be with us tonight and then again this weekend. So keep fire safety in mind. We're not going to be dealing with as much heat, but that potential for thunderstorms, and it's still going to be very dry is still there. At the coast, tomorrow we could see gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, potentially up to 30. Tonight is going to be fairly breezy. The further east you go, the windier it will be. In the mountains, gusts up to 30. Check out Crater Lake. Crater Lake has been in the 80s, the 70s. 51 degrees for a high tomorrow. A lot cooler out there. In the basin, a lot of sunshine, but we could see a few clouds linger in the morning due to that disturbance that's bringing that threat for thunderstorms. Winds will be picking up, gusts up to 35. Klamath Falls, which was at 80 today, 91 yesterday, is going to be 20 degrees cooler, 71 for a high tomorrow. Siskiyou County, mid-70s for the most part. Happy Camp, which has been in the hundreds, will be in the 80s tomorrow, and that's the warm spot. And for the Rogue Valley, expecting to see a mix of sun and clouds, a lot of sunshine for the most part, mid-70s for highs. So at the coast, a bit breezy for the next several days. Could see some drizzle as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. In the basin, breezy tomorrow and Wednesday. That chance for isolated thunderstorms Saturday, and then again on Father's Day. Same story for Siskiyou County. We'll see some sunshine, maybe periods of partly cloudy skies, highs in the mid-70s. That's going to be the same story for the Rogue Valley, mid-70s. Then we're back into the 80s this weekend, but that threat for thunderstorms moves into the Rogue Valley as we head into this weekend, and yes, on our Father's Day. But enjoy the cooler weather while it lasts. It's kind of a little bit more pleasant out there.
And who knows when we'll see 70s again as we head towards July.
Exactly.